Hey kids! Today we're making this really cute little snowman ornament out of Model Magic.
Final call for bus 1. Please dismiss bus 3.
Okay, so each person, let me put this over here. Each person has their own packet of Model Magic. You can open that up. I'm gonna cut mine open. You're going to need the whole packet to make the snowman. Okay, now I'm going to roll the snowman snowballs into 3 sections. So I'm going to try to divide it evenly. 3. So like 1, 2, 3. Okay, I tried to divide an even section. Okay. Now, the smallest one and the biggest one, so we kind of want 3 different sizes. So I'm going to take a little chunk out of this one and add it to the big one. This is going to be the small, medium, big. Now we're going to roll them with your palm. Put it in your palm and roll. That's the base, that's the big one. This is going to be the medium one. Just gently stick them together. And then lastly, the small one I'm going to roll up.
Hello, there's your hat right there. But if it would have been in your sleeve or in your book bag, it would be on the floor.
Now, next I'm going to make the hat. So I'm going to take a piece of the blue Model Magic. I'm going to roll this piece for the top part of the top hat, and then a bigger piece for the top part of the top hat. Make sure they don't get stuck together because the white can get stuck to the blue really easily.
Teachers, please dismiss bus 4. Bus 4.
I'm going to roll a circle and then kind of push it down a little bit. That's going to be the top hat. And then this part, I'm just going to roll into a circle and stick it on the top. Little circle.
Boy, go sit down.
Top hat. All right, now for the little accessories. So I have 2 arms. My little guy has got like some little hands here. So an easy way I thought to do that was to take a smaller piece, put that over top, and then twist.
Teachers, final call for bus 4. Final call for bus 4.
So there's the little snowman's arm. And I can stick that on this side.
I said roll it up and gently roll it.
Now I'm going to do the other side. Here's my other arm. I'm going to lay the small piece on top. Oh. On top like this, and then I'm going to twist. And stick this on this side. It's a little hard, you gotta work it in there. Gotta work it in there. Alright, he's starting to look like a real snowman. Next, I'm gonna add the nose. So this piece is kind of long, so what I'm gonna do is bend it in half. And then I'm gonna twist it together. Twist it together. Twist, twist, twist. And then stick the nose. And then now, last thing is the detail. Oh, actually, you know what? Why don't I make the little ornament top? This is like a little wire. So we have a little wire piece. I'm gonna turn this. So this kind of makes like an X here. See how that kind of makes an X? Then I'm gonna twist these little pieces. Twist, twist, twist. This is the part that gets stuck in the hat. This part. This is the ornament top. Gently press. You don't want to deform the rest of the snowman shape. I kind of pressed the hat a little too hard. It could go. It kind of does go back to normal. Just be gentle. And then I have my eyes with Sharpie. The mouth. The buttons. And last but not least, don't forget about the most important part, your name. Luckily, I have a small name, so I got to write really small. It's tricky.
Sorry. No problem. Nice conclusions.
And there you have it. Nice little snowman ornament. Thanks for watching.